What's up guys, welcome back to the brand new video. Hope you're doing great, and today we're gonna be watching another episode of Video in Cars. It's episode number 150. So with that being said and without any further ado, let's just dive into this now, shall we? Whoa, careful man, don't be mad, it ain't our fault you bought an electric car. And now it looks like it's time for some power, and I just wanna say honey I'm home, but that guy either has multiple houses or multiple wives. Oh, wiggle wiggle wiggle. That is very safe, as you can see, especially on a highway. But now I present to you the greatest creation the humankind has ever seen, the almighty Golf 2 Limo Restaurant Edition. This would be an icon in my country. The Golf 2 already is, and this one would be like a perfect fit for Balkan countries. Very nice, I approve. You have a nice meal while having a lot of fun with the boys. Oh, watch out, no! Someone's delivery is gonna be late. And by the way, let me know in the comments, do you guys hold a speed record in your family? What's your top speed? Talk to me, let me know in the comments. Ooh, that was a biggie. The brake lights were on, but I think it was too late for that. That was just another reminder that you should leave that for the racetrack. And also, please don't use your phone while driving. Look at this woman. She has no clue what's going on around her. I gotta look cute for Instagram. Those reels are so funny. Bet it won't be so funny when you get a pole position. Oh hey there BMW, he was driving normally, but then he remembered he was in a BMW and he didn't do anything stupid since this morning. So he decided to change that right now by driving in the opposite lane, which is not that major offense in a BMW's book. Oh no 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 no, oh, he jumped the red light, you dingleberry. Actually, he didn't jump the red light, he blasted through it. It's ridiculous how some people drive. No, 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 you... Damn, bro, the road couldn't be more wider and you still do this. But anyways, let's see here. This is gonna be interesting. And 3, 2, 1, boom! I bet there was a guy there who was watching and was like, I should let him know, I should warn him. But no, it's more fun this way. Oh look, he was like, it's rewind time, and he fixed it.
It's
nice.
really hard to tell, like, what cars are coming.
Whoa! You spin me right round, baby, right round. And now, in today's episode of Lifted Trucks, we have lots of bad handling, and a redneck, and a rollover. Which of course makes perfect sense when you put those three together. Anyways, we are moving on. If you buy a new car and you wonder why there is a scratch on it, maybe this is the answer. This is the answer for sure. And those two trucks were probably from the rival companies. Overtaking each other like crazy. Whoa, dude, what the hell is that? What was that squeeze all about? Did you see an ice cream truck or something? Because if he did, we'll give him a pass. We all love ice cream. But anyways, I digress. I mean, I get it, you're in a truck, but what was that all about, for real? There's literally nothing on the left side, but whatever. We are moving on. Whoa! I think here we have concrete evidence that both are at fault. Or maybe I'm wrong, but I don't think you can go to the right lane like that. I'm not sure. Oh, hi there, Beamer. Long time no see. What are you doing, man? Oh, never mind, you flashed your lights, so that means you can go, you own the road. BMW user manual says if you flash your...
Oh my...
Oof. He was like, I don't see a car here, especially any big Camaro with lights on. Bro probably upgraded from the Prius and now he's adapting to a real car. Oh, and we got a pole position. Although he was forced into a pole position against his will, it's still a pole position. Whoa, Corvette stopped wilding out there. Bro went from 0 to Tokyo Drift in 2 seconds. But that was a sick 360, by the way. I'll give him that. And he's like, now I'm good, see ya! On to the next one we go. Let's see here. And booyah! Hashtag turning left is hard. James May would be sad now because that was a brand new Dacia Sandero.
So I didn't watch a lot of Barry or...
He probably changed the color of his pants, but he corrected his mistake, to be honest. Oh, here we go again. No, no, no. Ooh. Hold it. Don't crash. He overreacted, but then he somehow managed to keep it under control. When you're doing higher speeds, like on a highway, it's never a good idea to make sudden moves, like this one here, for example. Oof. That was a biggie. Everyone can have a license these days. Careful, careful, there's a free candy van, watch out. You don't want to mess with those, for many reasons. Let's see here. This is already too close for my taste. No, no, no! We like sandwiches, but this one, we don't like this one. That's the only sandwich you don't want to be part of. Whoa, and off he goes to find the tree position. Bunch of NPCs. Whoa, whoa, don't, bro. Ooh, that's bad. He just stopped all of the other dingleberries in this video. Hold it, bro, hold it, and... Yes! He got it. Choo-choo! Ooh! He rammed the crap out of him, if you know what I mean. Let's see here, and I wonder if you know how they live in Tokyo. Whoa! 180. That was a nice 180. And he totally meant to do that. And his name is John Cena! He definitely didn't see that one coming. Let's see here. And it looks like that little BMW is going for an overtake, but nope, he got blocked by a fellow BMW driver. And that's a violation of 123.5670 code in a BMW manual book. It says friendly fire will not be tolerated. Because you don't turn your back on family, except if you're from Alabama.
What did he say?
Right. Whoa, whoa, whoa! He was probably distracted in some way. Oh, look at this. A beautiful scenery. A beautiful view. I think you can drive for hours on a road like this with this view. Minus that dingleberry in a van, but you get the idea, you know what I mean. Oh, look at that dude, straight out of Los Santos Customs. And it looks like he forgot to feed the ABS system into his vehicle. Oh, this is a beautiful road too. But also with a lot of dingleberries on it. Oof, that was close. But luckily there was a runoff area to save the day. We don't have many of those in Europe. Oh, brake, brake, brake! Why did you stop, you dingleberry? It's green, go! It's okay not to be the best driver in the world, but stopping on green, that's another level, man. And what is this genius trying to do? No, no, no! Oof, that was close. And on that note, guys, it's time to wrap up this video. Thank you very much for watching and for the support, of course. It really means the world to me. And if you enjoyed in today's video, please smack that like button, subscribe if you want to see more of this, and also don't forget to leave a comment as well. So yeah, that's it for today. Don't forget to power every day. I love you all, stay awesome, and I will see you in the next one. Take care. Ciao, ciao.